everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we are going to be sewing a straight stitch using our Singer Promise sewing machine. So here we can see we have got a straight stitch just going along the top of that fabric. First thing you need to do is select the piece of material that you're going to use. Then we need to line up the raw edges of our material and we need to determine whether we're sewing them right sides together or wrong sides together. So for this I'm just going to leave mine like this. Depending on the type of material you're using, you may want to clip them together. So here I've got some sewing clips, or alternatively you could use some sewing pins as well to hold the material in place. Once you're ready and that's all sorted, we're going to place our material underneath our presser foot. If you was following a pattern and you need to have a set seam allowance, this is now the time that you would set that. Then place the material underneath your presser foot and lower the presser foot down. To get started, we're going to do a forward and back stitch just to secure the thread, and we're just going to guide the material through the sewing machine. We're not going to force it because the little feed dogs underneath the needle, they are going to feed our material through for us. So we just need to guide it just to make sure that the seam allowance stays the same. We need to make sure that our take-up lever is at the top of the machine ready so we don't get any sewing jams, and once we're ready we can now start sewing our straight stitch. Once we've finished, we need to make sure that our take-up lever is back at the top of our machine to complete all the stitches, and to do that you just turn the wheel. Then we need to raise our presser foot and we can then remove our material. And there we can see now we have our straight stitch, and because we've done a back stitch we've secured the thread at both ends so that it doesn't come undone. And that is how you can easily sew a straight stitch using your Singer Promise sewing machine. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then please check out all the other Singer Promise sewing machine videos in this playlist, and I will look forward to seeing you again in my next tutorial.